Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Samsung Galaxy S9 on Cricket Wireless. Now this video is brought to you by Cricket Wireless. For pricing and availability, go to cricketwireless.com. I'll leave the link up in the description. Now I know what some of y'all are going to say. Didn't you already unbox and review the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus? And the answer is yes. Now I'll link those videos up in the description too. Now this video is about the Galaxy S9, but it's really about Cricket Wireless's network and the services they provide. Now just in case you've been on another planet, let's just go through the specs real quick. Now for the display, you got a 5.8-inch Quad AMOLED display with a resolution of 1440 by 2690. Now that's 570 for the PPI Patrol. For the processor, you got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 with the Adreno 630 GPU. What does that mean in English? Top of the line specs. Now you get 4 gigs of RAM with 64 gigs of storage, and you got expandable memory with up to 400 gigs. Now in the rear, you got a 12 megapixel camera, you got an 8 megapixel camera in the front, one of the best cameras in the game. You get dual speakers, they sound amazing. You got a 3000 milliamp battery that features Quick Charge 2.0. And of course the phone is water resistant, you get wireless charge, you're always on display, fingerprint sensor, iris sensor, video lock screen, Bluetooth 5.0, your edge panels, split screen multitasking. Basically, this is a heavy hitter. Alright, now I've been using this phone for about 2 weeks. I put it back in the box for dramatic effects, so let's unbox it again. Galaxy S9 on Cricket Wireless. Here we go. Okay, once you open this up, now you get your Cricket Wireless SIM card. We'll talk about the network in a second. Inside, here's your SIM ejection tool. Of course, welcome file to the side. Here's your Galaxy S9. We got the all black everything Wesley Snipes edition. Black on black. Beautiful. Let's see what else you get. Here's your OTG. All right, transfer your data on the go. You get your fast charging brick. All right, adaptive fast charging. You get your USB Type-C charging cable. All right, USB-A to USB Type-C. And of course, you get your headphones. Now these headphones are tuned by AKG. Let me show you what they look like real quick. These are quality headphones. You see that braided cable? All right, tangle-free status. Like I said, tuned by AKG. These headphones sound amazing. And of course, you get some earbuds. Everybody got different size ears. You get some different size earbuds. Galaxy S9. On the back, here's your 12 megapixel camera. Here's your dual LED flash, fingerprint sensor. On the bottom, you got your USB Type-C, headphone jack. Okay, you got a mic. On the top, SIM ejection, your SIM tray, volume up and down, Bixby button, and your power button. Now let me get a little wipe down on this, and we'll talk more about the network services. Check this out. Galaxy S9, on a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major go. Now, regardless of what network you're on, the Galaxy S9 is still a Galaxy S9. The only difference is your monthly plan. Now, anybody that watches my channel will tell you the Galaxy S9 is my second favorite Android phone, right behind the Mate RS. Now, the S9 is the first Galaxy phone that I ever had that has zero lag. So that makes this Samsung's smoothest Galaxy phone to date. Now, I know what you're going to ask next. Why would I go to Cricket instead of T-Mobile, AT&T, Sprint, or Verizon? 3 words: smarter, simple, and better. Now, let's talk about Cricket Wireless's unlimited plan. Now, Cricket's unlimited plan offers unlimited talk, text, and data in between the US, Mexico, and Canada on a bigger network than T-Mobile, all for $55 a month when you choose auto pay after Cricket's $5 auto pay credit. Now, what's even better than that? Your monthly taxes are included and you don't need an annual contract. Now, think about that for a second. $55 a month, that's going to give you unlimited talk, text, and data with no annual contract, so you can cancel whenever you want. In my book, I call that a win. Now let's talk about Cricket Wireless's network. The Cricket network offers reliable nationwide network to more than 99% of Americans, and that's based on overall US coverage. Now the Cricket network offers more 4G LTE coverage nationwide than T-Mobile, Metro PCS, Sprint, or Boost. Now, LTE is not available everywhere, and that's the same on all major carriers. All right, so I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to clean all this stuff up. We'll breeze through the OS, and then I'll tell you about DIRECTV now. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I'm not going to waste your time doing another review. Like I said, I'll leave that link up in the description. You already know what I like. You already know what I don't like. But overall, this phone is a certified beast. Like I said, this is the best Galaxy phone to date. Now, there's one more thing I wanted to talk about, and that's DIRECTV Now. Now, Cricket's DIRECTV Now policy is give the customers what they want, more for less. Now, I don't know about you, but I love getting more for less. All right, that's right up my alley. So what does that mean? No long-term contracts, no commitments. They got a video-on-demand library with over 25,000 titles. Now, you can get HBO and Cinemax for $5 each a month or Stars for $8 a month. Now, let me show you what that looks like. So we'll take it over to DIRECTV Now. Now, I was rocking this morning up in the gym, watching SportsCenter, but let me show you. Let's go to guide. Now, here's your guide right here. You got TV shows and movies, and you can have favorites. So let's see what's on now. Let's see. Let's take it over SportsCenter again. Why not? ESPN. All right, so we got ESPN Get Up. All right, let's get some volume on this. All right, so we got First Take. Stephen A. Smith talking mad trash as usual.
What exactly is it that you're going to do?
Let's see what else is on.
The president.
Now we'll take it back to the guide. It's going to minimize this. We'll swipe that out. Let's see some of the other channels. You got the Entertainment Channel, Food Network. You got Fox News, Fuse. Got the Game Show Network, History Channel, HLN, IFC. You got MSG, MTV, NBC, Nickelodeon, Science Channel, TBS, TNT, basically all of the channels that you need. Let's see what movies are on right now. You got Fantastic Four, Legend of Hercules, Titanic, one of my favorite movies. You got a bunch of different movies to choose from. So basically, DIRECTV Now is a major go. Anyway, this is the Galaxy S9 on Cricket Wireless. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.